Hey everyone, it's time for me to make the actual video of the 42-inch air-cooled Hugger in Country Blue. It was the one that was manufactured in 1992, which I showed you in an earlier video when I was down in my shop disassembled on the bench. And it came just as you see it. And this was a big childhood fan of mine. It was another Stan Boss fan. And these came in white, pink, mauve, whatever, peach, gray, I think some other color, and of course blue, like you see here. And I saw a lot of these in the late 80s, early 90s, and I don't think they sold these any later than 1994, but these were really good fans. And let's have a look at the end pattern, filigree sideband, and the blade arms are polished brass. That's how they were, but the light fitter is blue. I've seen these fans in various habitats, but they were not priced reasonably, and there was one in Salem, Ohio that didn't have a light kit. I mean, I could have put like a polished brass fitter in there, nobody'd really know the difference, but I think that blue fitter is kind of cool, actually. There's the striped mushroom globe that came with it. That was true to form. And this, I guess you can say it was a 42-inch version of sorts of the 52-inch one that I have. It was Stan Boss sold them at the same time in the late 80s, early 90s. Shed a little light on the situation. There it is with the light illuminated. And the other side is also blue. I'm not going to show you that, but I will close up the blades. I know it has a little bit of blemishes on it, but it's about 95% immaculate. Put a long string on it to change the speeds. And now let's rev it up, first on low. Oh, and there's the, forgot to show you the reverse switch right there. Okay, medium. One thing about these air-cooled Huggers, especially these 42 inches, they crank out a lot of air. It's just on medium, I'm starting to feel a little bit of a draft. I guess it's on par with like most Huggers nowadays on high speed. And it's even high up too, and I'm still feeling a draft. Like that's saying a lot about these air-cooled Huggers. They were very, very powerful fans. I swear by them. And now, let's try this thing on high, shall we? I have some slight bearing noise, but it's not unbearable. I'll feel that breeze. And you know what? I think we will power it down. Bearings can't be that bad if it has a decent spin down time. Yeah. I don't think I've seen any of these on YouTube before, like this model, maybe similar ones, but now I think I'm the first to put it on there. I got this almost a year ago at Habitat. I paid like 20 bucks for it. It was well worth it, considering how rare it really is. It's been down. Okay, it was a decent spin down time. Fan has stopped. And before I conclude, see right here, that is the other Moss WF I recently acquired through fellow fan collector Jonathan Finn. I traded him the big blue hugger for it. My first one, mind you. I still have, that's because I got the other one from the same person. But there it is over there. I'll do a video of that. And unlike when I had the other one in the other spots, that one did not have a light, but this one I added a light to it. So I think I'll stop the film right now, and thank you for watching. More to come.